Welcome back. A new holiday extravaganza is coming to Katy this year, and it's all to benefit a good cause. Joining us now are the co-chairs for the Festival of Trees, Varvel and Christy Bohlen. Thank you guys for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.
And you brought your team too, Christy.
Yes. So this is Lopez and Cecily West. Cecily designed all the wreaths that are here, and they designed the tree.
So beautiful. Let's talk about the festival first.
Yes.
And then we'll get to the pieces.
Wonderful.
Tell us about it. What can people expect?
It's going to be amazing. So we are going to have over 50 decorated trees at our Festival of Trees, and we brought one example with you today. We know that everybody's needs for Christmas is a little bit different, so we're going to have everything from the giant, foofed out 7.5 tree to the little bit more on-trend pencil tree that you see here, all the way to tabletop trees and wreaths. Wow. So if you're in an apartment or a condo or in a home, they're going to be there. They're going to be on display so you can get decorating ideas, and if you're like me and you think, gosh, this is just overwhelming to decorate, you can actually purchase the tree, and all of the proceeds go to our charity, which is going to be fantastic.
Such a good cause. And Brian, you actually helped start this amazing cause. Can you tell us about it?
Yeah, basically our cause is the Ballard House. It's a 24-room facility in Katy, Texas. Think of it kind of like a Ronald McDonald House, only we don't cater just to children.
And it helps out parents who...
Whole families,
right?
We've had people from around the world. We've had people as close as Austin, Texas.
Wow.
And we're getting ready to open our expansion. We're opening 16 more rooms in the middle of December.
And it's so important just to let these families know that you have that support system, right? That you have that help when your child is in the hospital.
Yep.
And it's wonderful because the whole Katy community has just wrapped themselves around this wonderful home and the families that come and stay there. So we wanted to create an event that kind of gave a hug back to the community as well.
I love it.
Hurricane Harvey kind of hit everybody really hard, and we wanted to be able to give an event that great value. The house did flood, and so we're raising money for the expansion, and then also to help cover some of the costs of the flood damage from the house. They're open again, but we just wanted to have something amazing to bring families to. We're gonna have a classic car show. We're gonna have a kid zone with snow. We have over 50 vendors that are hand curated by us that are high quality. So you don't have to go to the mall to do your Black Friday shopping.
Oh my
gosh. You can come see us.
Go there.
About the Mustang.
Oh yes, and one of our volunteers has donated a 1965 fully restored Mustang that we are raffling off, and we are hoping that we sell enough raffle tickets to give it away at the festival, plus live entertainment.
All right, really quickly, tell folks when and where and how they can get their tickets.
So we are offering this event November 23rd through the 25th at the Cane Island Amenities Center, located in Katy, Texas. If you go to www.bhfot.org, you can get tickets for the festival, you can get tickets to purchase raffle tickets for the Mustang, and you can also purchase tickets at the door and on Groupon.
Okay, and we've got a nice little $5 off for veterans. Thank you guys so much for joining us. All right, we're going to post more information and replay of this segment online at clicktohouston.com. It'll be under our video tab at our homepage after the show. We'll be right back.